Lexus built its entire reputation on one promise: bulletproof reliability. But somewhere along the way, the brand started chasing trends. Turbocharging engines that didn't need it, drowning interiors in touchscreens, and replacing rock-solid drivetrains with smaller, more complicated ones. So today, we're counting down 8 used Lexus models that are genuinely smarter buys than their brand new replacements. Same badge, same luxury feel, minus the headaches and the recalls. Let's get into it. Number 8, Lexus IS 350 2021 to 2025. We're kicking things off with the IS 350, and this one's for the driving purists out there. The 2021 and up facelift gave us the last rear-wheel drive Lexus sports sedan powered by the naturally aspirated 2GR FKS V6. No turbo lag, no hybrid battery pack stealing trunk space, just a smooth 6-cylinder that genuinely loves to be revved. You get aggressive new styling and a modern touchscreen, but, and this is the important part, physical buttons survived for your climate and audio controls. That's a layout Lexus is steadily phasing out across the lineup. Once the IS goes through its next redesign toward a heavily digitized, hybrid-only future, this naturally aspirated chapter closes for good, and it won't come back. Buyers who want one of these are essentially racing against the clock before clean, low-mileage examples start drying up. Verdict: a genuinely engaging sports sedan that comfortably outlasts its German rivals with low running costs, excellent steering feedback, and zero touchscreen tantrums. Number 7. Lexus CT200H 2014 to 2017. This is the budget pick on our list, and don't let the small footprint fool you. The early CT200H, built from 2011 to 2013, had a rough reputation. Those engines were prone to head gasket failures because of a clogged EGR system that restricted coolant flow to the cylinder head and created localized hotspots. But Lexus quietly fixed the root cause for the 2014 facelift, completely revising the engine block, the pistons, and the internal cooling channels. That fix is the entire reason this specific model year range deserves a spot on this list, and why earlier CT200H examples absolutely do not. The result is a hybrid hatchback that sips fuel at over 40 miles per gallon, wrapped in a genuinely premium, well-insulated cabin, something you simply will not find in cheaper economy hybrid competitors at this price point. And here's the part that should ease anyone's long-term ownership anxiety. If the hybrid battery pack ever does need replacing, a refurbished or replacement unit can typically be sourced for under $1,500. That's a fraction of what people assume hybrid battery replacement costs. Verdict: an ultra-affordable, premium-feeling commuter that simply refuses to break down with a fix already proven over a decade of real-world use. Number 6. Lexus GS 350 2016 to 2020. Now we're getting into "they don't make these anymore" territory. And we mean that literally. The GS was discontinued in 2020, and nothing currently in the Lexus lineup replaces it. This facelifted 4th-generation model paired the proven 2GR FKS V6 with a double wishbone front suspension setup, giving you that classic rear-wheel drive handling balance that front-wheel drive crossovers simply cannot replicate, no matter how much software tuning gets thrown at them. Inside, this final version got the larger 12.3-inch infotainment display, an updated safety suite, and a cabin wrapped in genuine wood and leather trim that feels properly insulated from road and wind noise. If you want a true sports sedan driving experience wearing a Lexus badge, this is genuinely your last opportunity. There is no modern equivalent, and there isn't one coming. Once the existing supply of clean, well-maintained examples gets absorbed by enthusiasts, that's it. Verdict: a discontinued legend offering driving dynamics the current Lexus lineup has completely walked away from. Number 5. Lexus LS 430 2004 to 2006. This one's a deep cut, but it absolutely earns its spot. The 3rd-generation LS 430 facelift is widely considered the high watermark of old-school Japanese over-engineering. The 4.3-liter V8 paired with an ultra-durable 6-speed automatic is genuinely capable of exceeding 500,000 miles, and owners consistently report interior switchgear, door seals, and chassis components that resist rattling and degradation even decades into ownership. Now compare that to what came right after it. The early LS460 that replaced this car is plagued by melting dashboard plastics, complex front control arm wear, and failing electronic brake actuators. Expensive problems on a car that's supposed to be the pinnacle of reliability. And the current LS500 swaps in a twin turbocharged engine alongside an air suspension system loaded with electronic complexity that simply gives more things a chance to fail down the road. Just make sure you track down a clean example sourced from a salt-free southern or western state to sidestep rust concerns entirely. Verdict: 500,000-mile durability wrapped in a flagship sedan that frankly just doesn't break. Number 4. Lexus RX 350 2020 to 2022. The RX is Lexus bread and butter, and this particular generation nailed the formula completely. The 4th-gen facelift pairs a naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6 with a smooth 8-speed automatic transmission, putting out 295 horsepower thanks to the addition of direct injection. A solid 25 horsepower bump over the previous 3rd-generation V6. Lexus also went back in 2020 and reinforced the passenger side front crash structure to match the driver's side, directly addressing a discrepancy that had shown up in IIHS small overlap testing on earlier versions of this same platform. That's a meaningful safety upgrade baked specifically into this model year window. Now compare that to the redesigned 5th-generation RX that followed it. That newer RX swapped in a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that drones noticeably under load, and owners have reported front strut assembly defects, jerky gear shifts, and chronic 12-volt battery drain issues that can leave the car stranded. This older RX generation keeps real physical buttons for climate controls and delivers the kind of refined, isolating ride quality that built the RX nameplate's reputation in the first place. Verdict: the safer, smoother, and more mechanically sound RX generation. Full stop, no asterisks. Number 3. Lexus ES 350 2022 to 2025. Here's an interesting one because it marks the literal end of an era. Toyota officially ceased ES assembly at its Georgetown, Kentucky plant in early 2025 after building nearly 440,000 units there over a decade-long run, shifting production back to Japan as the entire 2026 ES lineup transitions to hybrid-only or fully battery-electric powertrains. So this 2022 to 2025 window is genuinely your last shot at a naturally aspirated V6 ES sedan, full stop. The 3.5-liter 2GR FKS pairs with a modern touchscreen interface that thankfully lets you bypass the old fiddly console trackpad that frustrated owners for years. And this specific generation already fixed an older known issue. Pre-2018 versions of this same 2GR FKS engine had a design flaw in the piston oil control holes that could let oil rings seize in place, leading to accelerated piston skirt and cylinder wall wear. That problem was resolved well before this 2022 and up bracket even started rolling off the line. Verdict: the last great V6 ES completely free of the coarse 4-cylinder hybrid drone arriving in the next generation and free of the touchscreen-only control layout replacing physical knobs going forward. Number 2. Lexus GX 460 2020 to 2023. We're almost at the top, and this is where things get genuinely serious. The GX 460's 2nd-generation facelift benefited from over 15 years of continuous mechanical refinement before it ended production. Its naturally aspirated 4.6-liter V8, paired with an under-stressed 6-speed automatic, is engineered to easily clear 300,000 miles, and the assembly precision on this late-cycle version simply cannot be matched by a first-year vehicle still working out production kinks. Now, let's talk about exactly why you'd want to stay away from its replacement. The new GX 550 runs a 3.4-liter twin-turbocharged V6 that has been hit with a major ongoing safety recall. Toyota has confirmed that machining debris left inside the engine during manufacturing can contaminate the crankshaft main bearings, and depending on severity, that can cause anything from rough running and failure to start, all the way up to a complete engine stall while driving. This recall has actually expanded over time, eventually pulling in 2024 GX 550 models alongside the related Tundra and LX 600. And forum reports suggest some owners have seen replacement engines fail again afterward. which raises real questions about whether this is purely a manufacturing debris issue or something deeper in the design. On top of the mechanical uncertainty, the GX550's interior swaps genuine wood accents and double-stitch leather for harder, more utilitarian plastics and narrower seats that feel like they belong in a lower-tier Toyota. The older GX keeps the good stuff, a 10.3-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support, but real physical buttons for every climate and drivetrain function that matters. Verdict, a bulletproof V8 SUV wrapped in genuine luxury materials while its replacement is still working through an unresolved engine recall. Number 1. Lexus LX 570 2016 to 2021. And our number 1 pick is the LX 570, and honestly, it's not close. This is Lexus' heavy-duty flagship, sharing its mechanical bones with the legendary Toyota Land Cruiser 200 series. Its naturally aspirated 5.7-liter V8 runs under such low mechanical stress that it's widely considered one of the most reliable, large-displacement engines ever put into production. Now here's exactly why you want to stay far away from the new LX 600. It shares that same twin-turbo engine debris recall affecting the GX550 and Tundra, where contaminated main bearings can cause stalling or total engine failure. But it doesn't stop there. The LX 600's 10-speed automatic transmission has its own separate recall tied to a software logic flaw in the transmission control unit. If one of the shift control solenoids fails, communication between the transmission and the engine can break down. The system may fail to prevent an over-revving condition, and that can lead to sudden loss of power at speed or a transmission fluid leak that creates an actual fire risk. That's now the 4th separate recall this generation of LX 600 has faced since launch. On top of all that mechanical drama, owners who've moved up to the LX 600 report a real, noticeable drop in interior quality. Cheaper cargo area carpeting, tinnier sounding doors, and less plush leather throughout compared to what the LX 570 offered. The old LX 570 remains a whisper-quiet, ultra-comfortable cabin wrapped around a drivetrain that simply refuses to quit, recall-free and proven over hundreds of thousands of real-world miles. Verdict, a full-size luxury tank with a virtually indestructible V8, while its replacement is still navigating fire risk transmission recalls and a noticeably cheapened interior. So there you have it. 8 Lexus models where buying used isn't a compromise, it's the smarter engineering choice. If you're cross-shopping any of these, the golden rule still applies. Check for a VIN starting with J for Japanese assembly quality and stay on top of the platform-specific maintenance these vehicles are known for. Which one of these would you actually buy? Let me know in the comments. And if this saved you from a 6-figure mistake on a brand new SUV, hit subscribe. We break down the real story behind these vehicles every single week.